Hello everybody, look at this for a commission. It's the biggest thing I've worked on for some time now, for a number of years actually. It's a tabletop and my clients are here in Broadstairs and we've been talking about me making a table for them for some time, and they wanted a circular table. So I thought of a seaside theme with the lobster quadrille or the Caucasus race, with all the lobsters and all the sea creatures going round in a circle. But then they told me it's not for here, it's for their house in the country. So that reminded me of my skulk of foxes from 10 years ago. And they liked that. And they also like the hares that we've got on the wall outside here. So here's the design. We've got a circle of hares, circle of foxes, and the foxes are in the golden green and the butterscotch, just to break up that mass really. And I see these as the female and the male foxes going in a circle here. And then in addition to that, I've added grapes for two reasons. One is the fox and the grapes, the fable by Aesop, whereby the fox can't reach the grapes, so he says they were sour anyway, and that's where the term sour grapes comes from. But also, if we look at the colour wheel, we've got, let's put this down, we've got the violet here for the grapes, here are the two colours for the foxes, and then we've got the greens. So that's a triadic palette. They make a triangle, an equilateral triangle on the colour wheel. And that's what's giving it the zap. Without the purple, it's kind of analogous and very autumnal. Nothing wrong with it, but I think it's that's purple that's really going to sing out and make it exciting. Anyway, I'm excited. I've already made the outer circle, so now I need to do the vines and get all that together. And watch this space, because this is going to be a good one.